Standing here, I'll tell him, Mr. Gauss, I'll give you 1 crore rupees. Can you give your right hand to me? What's your answer?
No.
1 crore rupees. I just asked him, give your hand. He said no. That means please understand how much valuable you are. Now I'll ask you, Sai. Thank you very much. Now Sai, I'll give you 1 crore. Can you give your right eye to me?
Obviously no.
Obviously no. So you're understanding my point? Thank you very much. Why I gave this example is, you understand, you introspect yourself, you value yourself. Now today what we do, for example, today we are going for a job. If you're not getting selected, you become negative. You think that, oh, we are not getting job. It's not like that. Please understand one thing in life. Any employer will hire the perfect person. If you have 100 jobs, there will be 1,000 candidates. Now don't ever think that we are not going to get the job. Always be optimistic in life. Life is so beautiful, I'm telling you, because I travel. What so happens is, we always want shortcuts. We want best of the best jobs with a very reasonable thing. It's not possible. I'll tell you the fact of life. Hard work never goes unrewarded. Please understand one thing in life. Life is not easy, but life is not tough too. Only thing, you have to have consistency. Now I will tell you what's all about. Now what we do, for example, if someone wants to become an IPS officer, now you are a graduate, you can become, but what so happens, meanwhile you want to make some money. Now your mind will divert. Half-heartedly you will study this course and half-heartedly you'll do the job. So you're not going to be successful in any way. So what you've got to do in life is, if you really want to do something in life, you've got to be 100%. Life is, I'll give you one best example. You know the word smart? How many of you know the meaning of smart? Yes? Okay, this is an abbreviated way, I will tell you, okay? What is this all about? Now, if you want to be successful in life, now take for example, talk about India. In India, you may know 1,000 names who you think they are very celebrity. Okay, they've got the celebrity status. For example, you ask Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli, he's a celebrity. He is doing good for India, we love him. Now, how Virat Kohli has come to that place? Because of sheer dedication. Why I am giving this example is, you have to interrelate this. Now what's all about? S is specific. Your time. How many of you think that I am doing justice to your time? That's all? So should I stop? See, please understand, that's the reason God Almighty has given you 2 years. That means you've got to listen more. Okay? So should I continue?
Yes.
No voice. Should I continue?
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. Now I'll give you one example, okay? You know the word smart. Now what is that? I'll tell you. S stands for specific. In life you've got to be very specific in life. I have given an example. Don't see someone and say, I want to become like that. First introspect yourself. What you are good at. If you're good at something, concentrate. Be consistent. We are not consistent. That's the problem. Now I will tell you one example. Have you ever met any IPS officer? Have you ever met any IAS officer? Have you ever met the best of the best dignitary? No. Reason is, we always think shortly. We never think beyond our borders. We always think that, okay, if we get 20,000, 30,000 jobs, that's enough. Why not do something else? Why not we make India as best of the best country in the world? It's all you, not someone else. Those who says that we have to, see, all these are blame game. one best thing what we do is we always believe in blame game. Because of that reason, we are not successful. Because of money, we are not successful. Because of job, no. There is only two things in life. I strongly believe. What is that? Excuse or result. I'll give you one example of that. Okay? Hero, can you please come here? Spoken just now? Yes?
Excuse results.
Results and excuse. Okay? Now look. Guys, are you looking at me? Behind, please, can you raise your hands? Sure? Can I continue?
Yes.
Thank you. No, your voice is not so loud. Can I continue?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, see the example. Look at this example. Now I get the pen here. What's your name? Bhanu Prasad. Bhanu Prasad, smart guy standing in front of me. Now I told Bhanu Prasad, this is the pen. You've got to pick. What do you do? Thank you. Thank you very much. Sit down. Now why I gave this example? You may think this is a small example, but there are only two things in life I told. What is that?
Excuse results.
Excuses and
Results.
that's all. If Bhanu wants to pick the pen, he pick the pen. There is no excuse. You got my point. If he doesn't want to pick the pen, what will he do? Em chestarana? Excuse istaru. You are understanding my point? So that's why I'm saying life is only two things, either results or excuse. If you want to do something good in life, either you are going to be successful or you will giving excuses. What excuse you will give? Sir, it's raining, that's the reason I haven't attended the interview. Now for example, if I want to give an excuse, if I don't want to come, I can say no, I'm not well. But I've come here. Reason, I have the knowledge what I have, I want to give it to you. Because I was also like you. I was also I started my job by 3,000 rupees. You know, one day I've earned 1 million in 1 year. That means what I'm trying to tell you is, it's not easy to travel all over the world. I told you I had lunch in London and dinner in New York. You can understand, God Almighty, because of my parents' blessing, I've done so much. Now what I'm saying is, it is possible for you, but you've got to be confident of yourself. You've got to be consistent. You've got to have an attitude of gratitude. You can't just say that, today I've not got this job, so I'm not going to do that. No, because these jobs are lifelong. Understand one thing, you've studied how many years? 15 years, 16 years, 17 years, 20 years. After that, when you go for a job, if you're not getting the job, you become negative of that. You think that, arey, we haven't got the job. It's not like that. You've got to polish yourself. Now, honestly, 4 of you can come on the stage, please. Who can talk fast? I'll pick randomly. Yes, anyone? Everyone else, sir? Please come. Come, be confident. Come. Very nice. Give a round of appreciation for her. Sherwan. Okay, one else, please. Very good. Very nice. Please come. Yes, please, from behind. From behind, if one can come, I feel that you are listening to me. Yes, can you please come? From behind. Boys, anyone? Boys, want to come? Come fast. Girls have come. Come on. Just tell why you are here. What is the reason? Come fast. Okay, very nice. Okay, please come here. Okay, now why are you here? What's your intention? You tell me, okay? Your name.
This is Swapna. I came here to get a job.
Okay, so are you confident?
Yes,
Okay, if at all you get the job, that's good.
I will get the job.
That is the confidence. You imagine. See, very nice. Give a round of appreciation for her. I'll give you one example. I was talking about this. Please come. ఎవరు వస్తలేరు అంటే about this S stands for specific. Whatever in life you want, you be specific in life. Okay, now what M stands for? M stands for you have to measure your goals, whether you can or you not. See, for example, I'm standing here, and if I say that I can touch this just like that, do you think it's possible?
Not possible. I've got to understand. I've got to do all the measurement. The third point, what is that? Any idea what is third point? A stands for action. You've got to be action oriented. Because most of the times what we do is we just say, okay, it's okay, we can do that. Until and unless you do actions, you're not going to be successful. How many of you believe what I'm speaking makes sense? Only one girl? 2, 3? Are you getting me what I'm speaking? No, there is no song, guys. Are you getting what I'm speaking? Yes. Okay, thank you very much. Now I was talking about R. Now what R stands for? R is reach. Whether you can reach the goal or not. Okay, that is important. And now what T stands for? T stands for?
Time.
T stands for time. Okay, time is crucial in life. Okay, this thing you can. Now I'll give you one more example. For example, I'm driving an ordinary car. How many of you are listening, please? It's a very important thing, okay? Now I'm driving a car, ordinary car. I'm driving, I've gone 20 kilometers, and all of a sudden, unfortunately, there was an accident. Okay? My friend was next to me. I asked him, hey brother, unfortunately my brakes got problem. Can you fix, do you know someone? Okay? This is one car. Now same for him. I'm traveling. I'm going in the BMW. I'm going in the BMW. And after 20 kilometers, unfortunately, again my car got problem. I have got to fix up my car. Now, at that point in time, will I ask my friend to help me? How many of you say yes? How many of you say no? Exactly. Most of you say
No.
no. Why? Because you know, compared to ordinary car, BMW is valuable. Similarly, your life is valuable like that. Please understand. You're getting my point? Your life is such a great, valuable life. So you've got to understand what is good all about. Now you have come for this interview. Now please understand what is the importance of this day. Your day is not just an ordinary day. You have not just come for here, meet up employer and go. You are making your career. Please understand. It could be small or big. I am not bothered about that. But job is job. Respect the job. I'll give you one example. When I was in New York, I went to an office. I met a peon, a janitor, you know, who cleaned the floor. Are you listening?
Yes.
A cleaner, you know, who was cleaning the office. I just sat there and he said, please come sir. I sat there. Then he asked me, what do you want? I said, just some coffee, like that. He got the coffee. Then I asked that person. Which person I asked? A person who was cleaning the floor. I asked him, what are you doing here? Then he said me, I'm sending people to the moon. Who is telling me? A sweeper, a cleaner. You think you think of his brain. You think about his positive attitude. Now I got shocked. I thought like in Hyderabad movies they will say that I can buy Charminar, I can buy Golconda. I thought he's also pranking. वो बोलते ना उर्दू में अरे फेंक रहा है. I thought a janitor, how can he send people to moon? But his level of thought process, you think what he said to me? He said, sir, people who are who are the scientists, who are doing the work, I take care of them. I don't know what you are taking care. He said, I clean my office such a way, when they come, they love the job. That means if I'm not doing my job properly, do you think that these guys will be happy? You understand the meaning of this? It's not about a sweeper or it's not about the president. It's about the job, what you are involved. How much you are involved in the job, that is matter the most. You understand this example? That means don't ever think that I'm just getting a small job of 15,000 rupees. Do you think this will help me? No. Don't ever think like that, because whatever job is job, you've got to respect the job. People who are getting first job, that is very valuable, because first job is so important. If you are doing good, trust me, I also used to get 2,500-3,000 rupees salary. I told you that there was a day when I had my lunch in London and dinner in New York. That means how it has happened, because I've done my ability. I've done so much hard work. You know, that's what I'm saying. You are so important. You are the future of India. You have to do. No one else come and do something. You are going to be future everyone. Could be who else are sitting here, could be future Prime Minister, could be future Commissioner, could be future anyone. So believe yourself. That is important. Don't ever get disheartened. Don't ever think that, what, this small job. No. Always respect. First and foremost thing, I'd use the word gratitude. When you have the gratitude in you, you're going to conquer the world. Because this world, I'm telling you, you're living once. But this once should be meaningful. Those who are helping, why God Almighty has given you two hands. You know there is a famous girl, I forgot her name, or maybe Saina Jaiswal or something like that. You know, she's an ambidextrous. That means with both hands she writes. What I'm trying to tell you is, you're also like that. Especially girls, you can do wonders in life. You are so important for the nation. What you've got to do, don't ever think only for you. For example, what's your name?
Sherwani.
Sherwani should not think that only I am doing some myself. You have to think that you are taking care of your family, you are taking care of your friends, you are taking care of your community, you are taking care of your state, you are taking care of your country. That's what your thought process should be. Those who are celebrities, those who are in the high ranks, ask them. Their thought process is like that. They never ever think of themselves. They think always about someone else. Life is like that. Now the examples what I have given, how many of you really understood and definitely you will implement those examples what I have given? Only 1, 2, 3, 4. Last benches. Are you with me, listening to me? Are you getting my voice there? Can I continue? Okay, I'll give you one best example. Just keep in your mind. Now I've given you example of the eye, hand, pencil, and I've given example of Mercedes and BMW and ordinary car. Now I'll tell you one thing. This thing keep in your mind. What is that? 3 P's.
C.
What is that? P. First and foremost P. What is that? Anyone? నా మాట మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా? నేను తెలుగులో కూడా మంచి చెప్తాను కానీ అంత మంచి రాదు, దాని గురించి ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తున్నాను. ఓకే, అందరూ అర్థమవుతుందా నా లాంగ్వేజ్ మీకు? ఓకే భాయ్, కంటిన్యూ చేయొచ్చా? అరే మీ వాయిస్ వస్తలేదు. నిజంగా అంటున్నాను, నేను ఇంత బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ తీసుకున్నాను. ట్రస్ట్ మీ, నా టిఫిన్లో ఉన్నది లంచ్ తీసుకోవాలి, కానీ మా ఫ్రెండ్ కాల్ చేశారు, ప్లీజ్ ఇక్కడ రండి అంటే ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. ఓకే, నౌ ద రీజన్ why I want to give this example is, this is very important in life. You may think, arey just he's talking. The experience what I have, I squeeze that and keep this thing in your mind. Keep that. 3 P's. What is that? First P is your passion. What is that? Passion. Excuse me, what is that? Passion. Okay, I think I just want that. Purpose. Third is what? Yes, guys? Guys, now you guys have to answer. What is third P? Third P is profit. Now, I'm a passionate speaker. For example, I love to talk. That is good thing. Second, my purpose is to change India. Talk to youth, give them motivation, make them happy. That is fine. The third is what? Profit. After talking to you everything, you're very happy, you're appreciating, you're saying, yes, Fahim has done manchi pani chestunnaru, manchi maatladnaru. But third, profit. If I go to DMart and say that I look smart, I spoken well, please give me 1 kg almond. Do you think they'll give me? No. That's what I'm saying. These 3 things are so important in life. Passion, purpose, profit. Most of the people, they don't do this. They are passionate about something, their purpose is good, but they don't make money, then they quit. You have seen so many people. Why they are not successful? Because the passion, purpose, profit is not aligning. They are not clubbing these things. Are you getting my points? Yes. Please understand that conversation what I am doing, that topic what I am giving, it's not an ordinary topic. Trust me, I go to a lot of seminar, I pay a lot of money. You are the luckiest people on the earth. I'm not trying to say something great, but I'm telling you the truth. Because, Malakpet HSO sir, he organized this. Reason, what's his benefit? His benefit is to get someone job. someone should be thankful. Now, for example, if someone is hungry, if I am giving them a food, it could be a one-time effort or one-day effort. But if someone is giving you a job, this is lifelong effort. So give a round of applause for SHO of Malakpet. What guys? వస్తలేదు ఎట్లా ఉండాలి మనం ఇండియన్స్ అంటే కొట్టండి కొంచెం. Very nice. Thank you so much. Okay, now I've spoken about what? SMART. I've spoken about 3 P's: passion, purpose, profit. Now one more thing. Why I'm giving these all examples are, these are so important. Now one more example is E. What is E stands for? Efforts. You should do some efforts in life. Then only you're going to be successful. Without efforts, nothing happens. Okay? And T stands for time. Anything you need to give your time to be successful. If you be the best, for example, I know I can speak good. If I'm sitting in my home, do you think I can talk to you? I can give my knowledge to you? Not possible. So time is important. The third thing, what is very, very important, what is that? Anyone can guess? M. Money. Money is also important. So, for example, you want to come to this job. Do you think you just came like that? You have to pay some money. That means most of the people, what they think, without money, बोलते हैं ना काम चलता है. Not possible, guys. For education, please invest money. Money, efforts and time. ये 3 चीजें अगर आप आपके जहन में रखते हो, can you understand some Hindi also? आप लोग समझ सकते हो मेरी बात? मनी, एफर्ट्स, टाइम, ये 3 चीज जब आपके पास रहते हैं तो आप लोग सक्सेसफुल हो सकते हो. So whatever I am talking, I've spoken about money, efforts, time, I've spoken about passion, purpose, profit, I've spoken about smart goals. So if you can follow these things, definitely. Now comes English. Now I'll give you best example of how to learn English. How many of you really want to speak good English? That's all? Behind guys don't want to learn good English? Hey, नहीं आ रहा यार. Sir, नहीं आता है. ఇది ఎక్కడ రాదా సార్? Okay, now English I was saying. Now for example, I speak good Urdu. Reason, I born and brought up in Islam family. So మంచి నేను ఉర్దూలో మాట్లాడతాను, మీరు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడతారు. Okay, now I'll give you example. What is this all about? Now a foreigner who is in America, how good English he speaks? Now, understand these points. Do you think when I speak Urdu, won't I do a lot of mistakes? Definitely చేస్తాను. మీరు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితే మీరు మిస్టేక్స్ చేయరా? చేస్తారు. కానీ మీకు కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉంది. నాకు ఉర్దూలో కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉంది, మీకు తెలుగులో కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే మన అప్బ్రింగింగ్ ఎట్లా వచ్చింది. Now I'll give you an example. What is that? A foreigner born in America, he speaks good English. But trust me, he also has a lot of grammar mistakes. Now, why I am talking fluently in English? What is the reason? Reason is practice. Ante, practice. Until practice should become your habit. Now, I will give you an example of how you can speak good English. Now, for me, when a child born, anyone, when a child borns, first what do you do? He listens. Then second, what he does? Exactly. Understands. Third, speak. That's all. Any language, if you want to master, keep these 3 things in your mind. Listen, understand, and speak. That's all. You can conquer the world. Now, foreigner, a French guy, he speaks good French, but you talk about English, he doesn't speak good English. Reason, because he's listening. Similarly, Telugu, Urdu, same. You're understanding my point? For that, now English, always we think that, if I start talking English, maybe words won't come, our grammar may be not correct, or I'm not confident. All these things, points comes. Yes or no? Language. If you want to master any language, what you've got to do? You've got to listen a lot. Now, I'll give you an example. How many of you believe with whom you are, you will become like that? How many of you believe with whom you are, you will become like that? That means, exactly. We in Urdu, we call it as Sohbat-e-Sadiqeen. That means, with whom you are, you will become like that. For example, if you are with IPS officer, always, you want to become IPS. If you are with a businessman, you want to become a businessman. If you want to be with a sports person, you want to become sports person. For that reason, what our parents tell us always, be in good society, be with good people. Because it so happens, the knowledge what they are sharing, you will learn that. Am I making sense? Please understand, I've got other works to do also. But why I'm here? Because I believe giving is an art. The knowledge what I possess, if I can give it to you, and if you are happy, your blessings will be there for me. How many of you believe that? This all, trust me or not, I'm doing for that. Behind guys, you are not giving response. What should I think? Only one girl, 2, 3, that's all. Rest all, you're not listening to me? Are you listening, girls, boys? Sure? Should I continue or stop? No voice.
Continue, sir.
Only front benches are saying continue. Behind?
आगे आवाज नहीं जाती ना मेरी. Give them some respect. Whether they give you job or not, that is secondary. First and foremost, we should learn that manner. That is important. Now, if you become, for example, if I'm the best person in the world, but if I go and not talking good to my mom and dad, you think that's good for me? So first and foremost thing, manners. Otherwise, no point. You may earning billions, but if you don't have manners, people don't like you. They say, okay, bhai, meer unnaro, maake, meer manchunte, make it respect istar. So first and foremost, you think this is correct? Second thing, can I sit in Kuchochu, sir? Third, have documents ready with you. Please, this is everyone, please understand. Fourth thing, where you are going, that is important. If you are going for an IT job, don't say that I have done chartered accountant. You're understanding my point? Don't say that. Find out where you go. Now, what companies are there? Usually we do. Same dialogue we tell. You don't have to do that. First and foremost thing, why for you are going? Get a job. Okay? Now, first and foremost thing, ask permission, sit, keep the documents, and ask talking. Generally, question will ask, tell me something about yourself. Why do you tell these things? Because they want to see whether you speak good or not. You have a fluency or not. All those things are important. So you be confident. Only God Almighty is perfect. No one is perfect. So you don't have to worry. You may be an interviewer, you may be an employer, but you're not an ordinary person. So talk. Be confident. Respect. Can I? Yes. Then give the papers. Then say. Then talk about yourself. Usually what we do, we talk more and more about ourselves. Don't do that. What interviewer wants you to do that? Don't give extra. Where we fail is, we talk more. My duty and my passion is that's why I'm talking. Otherwise, I'll listen and learn. Usually, interviewer will ask you one question, you will give all. You don't have to do that. Find out what they communication is a process. What we do, now these also are three things. Communication is what? Oral, written and body language. These all things are important. For example, I'm standing and just saying that, hello, how are you? Then you'll say, Pora bhai, time ledanta. Yes or no? If I give some knowledge, if I'm in body language, if I'm talking, then definitely will appreciate. You listen to me. Similarly, words are like that. If your words can conquer, words can rule. Words got so good power.
That's where, but trust me, నేను కూడా తినలేను. In fact, అంటున్నాను. Why I'm talking, there are sometimes you've got to be resistant. You can't always like that, okay? You understand one thing in life. There is an English saying, success has many uncles. Success has many uncles. Failure is an orphan child. అంటే ఎట్లా, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఐ గివ్ అన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ హైదరాబాద్ క్రికెటర్ మొహమ్మద్ సిరాజ్. 5 years before, his dad used to drive an auto. No one took his name. No one knows who is Siraj. Not today, I also have not taken his name. Even though he is my friend's friend, close friend's friend. I have not taken his name. But once he becomes successful, I will also take his name. What I will tell now? Arey, he is from Hyderabad. He is from my community. He is very close friend of mine. You are understanding my point? Success is like that. When you become good, everyone will say, "Arey, na bhai, na brother aina, na close friend aina." నేను ఎందుకు అంటున్నా ఈ డైలాగ్ అంటే success is important. Whoever, whatever you're doing, be successful in life. Success doesn't mean that do wrong thing. I'm talking do good things in a very respected way. Small thing also do 100%. Because most of us, what we do is, we are not bothered about small things. We say it's chalta attitude. I've given an example of carpenter. Might be you haven't understood that. What I mean to say is that, for example, if the table is broken, if I need this table to read, and if right time carpenter come and fixes my table, do you think I will appreciate him or not? Yes or no? Now, for example, I'm not feeling well. Unfortunately, I've got some problem. For example, if I go to a doctor and if doctor is not giving me a good prescription, good medicine, do you think I appreciate doctor? So that is what I am saying. What it may be your profession, that is secondary. What is important is how much you are involved here. How many of you agree my words? Sure. So please understand, I don't want to take much of your time, but why I'm giving all these things is, I believe one thing I told you, die empty. That means the knowledge what you have, you've got to give it to the world. This world needs our support. Don't think that someone else has to come and help. Don't do that. You can do wonders. Alone can become a prime minister. Alone can become a chief minister. Understand, this world is all about digital world. Earlier days were different. When I was studying, we don't have so much online. Now if you want to study in Oxford online, it is possible. If you want to get some best of the best knowledge from different persons, it is possible. You can get online knowledge. So what I'm saying, we are living in a fantastic world. We are living in this fantastic generation. Utilize properly. Don't waste your time. Please understand. A mom who doesn't have his son, she knows the value of son. A son who doesn't have his mom, they know the value of that. So please understand, you are so lucky. You are so lucky to, you are alive. Be thankful that there are so many, unfortunately, people because of COVID, they expired. So what I'm trying to tell you is, this world is so nice. Take it in a positive way. Never ever do anything wrong, thank you so much. So this is what an appreciation. This is what a gratitude. I really respect, I really say thank you. But one way, if we take it in a negative way, Thalian, why most of the people clap is, better if he goes. But I understand you all are appreciating me. Thank you for that. Okay, I think I'm also tired, to be honest enough. I want to say a big thank you. So whatever I have spoken, I think I have done justice to your time. Yes? So just wish me good luck. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.